Take note of the More Search Options drop down. It gives you the capability of changing the nature of this whole section of the search widget. Simply select the option that represents the type of search you're looking and doing. Let's have a look at a quick example of how the Boolean operators work in a search. Let's see. Time for a little cat and mouse with crime and punishment. So I know that if I search for murder and homicide and search, I know that I will get crime and punishment because I happen to know that those two items are in the 650 topical subject search mark fields. Now, if I do a search on murder and homicide, but not mystery, I get monster, but I will not get crime and punishment. Why? Because crime and punishment has all three of those terms, murder, homicide, and mystery, in individual 650 fields. So that's just a simple example of how the and or not Boolean search works. Barcode option, obviously, you can search for a range or a particular barcode item. Call number range. Mark field, if you have a particular mark field in mind, you can select one from the list. Most of these should be pretty self-explanatory. If you have Lexil data in your records, you can turn this search into a Lexil search and search by a particular grade level. And take note of what will happen as you change grade levels. Grade level 3, the Lexil measure slider will adjust itself based upon what you have selected. It's kind of a cool feature. You can also select a Lexil code to further filter your results. If you have accelerated reader, you can select a reading level, point values, an interest level, and do a search. New materials will turn your search into a program-controlled search for items that are new in your database based upon however many days you choose here in the maximum age. You can use this feature to automatically publish by simply setting this feature, selecting the checkboxes that you want, and clicking search. The popular titles search will allow you to publish a popular titles list by setting these criteria, the period, past number of days, and setting the size that you want the list to be, and checking this checkbox. So this option is a search, but its real strength comes in allowing you to publish a popular titles list without having to use the book bag procedure, and we will have a video on publishing lists using book bags. So that about does it for using the More Search options.